Good day. I'm out on quite a small permission, and it's a permission that I've done quite a fair few times before, so not expecting much, but it should be quite an interesting insight into really your average trip out metal detecting. And I'm thinking over winter especially of doing just one video maybe every 2 weeks. Yeah, it's just getting tricky to get out, various reasons. Grass is getting longer again. Permissions, you tend to lose a few permissions when obviously crops go in. Round the corner from here I've got a field that's just been seeded basically, so I'll see if I can get on that. So yeah, oh yeah, and I need to stop messing around with my videos basically. I changed the intro and I've decided to change it back, and if it's not broken, don't try and fix it, that's the thing, isn't it? But yeah, that's enough yarning, and I'll see you on the first signal. A very faint sort of 50, 60. It's a classic, it's a 4-hold button. Yeah, I don't mind buttons. Let's carry on. Right, this next signal looks like it's another halfpenny, but that was deep. That was, well, I just picked it out of there, so I mean, well, I'll just get my pinpointer out. Yeah, very, very deep, and a good signal, about a 63, but I think it's quite crusty. Yeah, oh, actually it might be a penny, but yeah, pretty worn, not much on it. Let's carry on. Right, next one is in there, here somewhere. Ah, there it is. Some sort of bit of rubbish, I think. Copper, I don't know what that is, God knows. Rubbish. Oh well, let's carry on. Right, this next one was about, well, a solid 60 on the Simplex. It's just whatever that is. Yeah. Don't know. We'll clean that up at the end and have a look at it. Cool. Next one. I think that's some sort of, I don't know, it's just a button or something like that, but yeah, strange one. It's quite thick and heavy. Oh well, carry on. Right, next one. Another little button. Yeah, boring old button. Carry on. Right, this one, right on the surface, that's another button. So I might have to call this the button field. See what the shank, yeah, military button by the looks of it. That's cool. Let's carry on. This one is a really nice signal actually. It's about an 80. It's just rubbish. Surprised that come up, it's so nice, but scrap. Another surface find. Not metal, but a bit of local history. Risley, Weymouth, a bottle stopper. That's pretty cool. Not heard of that company before. I have to look them up. Right, carry on. I knew it wouldn't be long. Solid 71. It's a little buckle. Every time. See what else there is. Right, next one. I've come over to this bit of pasture because that field's a little bit, yeah, a little bit sort of fresh with seeding, so yeah, look at that, £1. I wonder what the year is on that. It's quite an old one, 1988. Brilliant. Right, let's carry on. Next one, I think it's quite a good move coming over to this field. Yeah, George V, really crusty halfpenny. That's cool, don't mind that. Check the hole. No, that's it. Right, next one, yet another buckle. Quite loud, about 65. Quite deep actually, that one. This one, really low numbers. It's probably a sort of 18. It's an old spoon, but I wasn't going to dig it. It sounded like a ring pull or a bit of aluminium. But yeah, crappy old spoon. So, roundup time. What can I say really? Load of rubbish, to be honest. A few coins. Some of those I didn't even record. There's a couple of pennies, all around the same sort of area, so it might be worth going back. That was quite an old footpath. Half penny there. Feels really light actually, really light. But yeah, and the old quid, and then just absolute trash really. Standard buckles and buttons and just rubbish. Oh, that was a semi decent military button there. Can't quite make out what that says actually. Oh, light infantry. So yeah, it might be quite old, that one. Not sure what it says on the top, but yeah. And then like a horse, probably a horse decoration, mangled spoon, Vaseline lid. Yeah, not overly impressed by it all, but it's always good to get out. So yeah. Alright, yeah, that's me done. So thanks for watching. As always, thanks for subscribing. I will try and get a video out for next week, but if it, you know, I'm not going to stress about it. If it's too difficult to get out, or you know, then yeah, quality over quantity maybe. So one every 2 weeks, but one a week if I can do it. But cheers guys, see you on the next one.